ever wondered about the CLIMATRON and how it was built and made? In this documentary, we will learn all about the CLIMATRON and facts about its inside to the outside. Let's learn about the architecture and history of this iconic building. The CLIMATRON was the first geodesic dome in history, so it's pretty popular for our area. It was not just a greenhouse in its history. It used to be an observatory used to study plant life in Missouri. These types of plants would normally not be able to grow in Missouri, so it was an incredible discovery for our area. Also, the CLIMATRON was extremely hard to build, and it took 31 years to finish. Also, on October 1st, 1960, the CLIMATRON was first opened for tourists, and many people loved the building. The architects Mackey and Murphy did a good job on this amazing iconic building that can have tropical plants in Missouri. Next, the architectural structure of the CLIMATRON is how it keeps its different climate in just the building. First, the CLIMATRON is pretty much just hexagons, which is an example of the modernistic style. So it uses hexagons all around the building to keep its shape together and not fall to other natural and unnatural things. The corner's strong shape is how it's just like a truss bridge. Also, have you noticed when you walk in, you could feel the difference in the temperature? It's because the inner surface of the glass and plastic dome is coated in low intensity film. This means the energy efficient windows help reduce energy loss. Third, when the CLIMATRON was 5 years into being open, the aluminum in the glass and plastic was starting to warp, and the heat started to escape and was starting to fall apart. So originally it had an aluminum frame and plexiglass panels, and the plexiglass was removed and replaced by steel and glass structure. They had to rebuild the whole thing, but they did improve it, so it was helpful. In conclusion, we have talked about most things about the CLIMATRON and its history. We have learned how it solved its problems and how made the climate changed inside the CLIMATRON. Hopefully you can visit this building and notice the architectural modernistic style of this iconic building.